All right, I'm gonna repaint the tailgate. It's really dirty. It looks, well, okay, so it looks dirty, right? You're like, man, I just clean this stinking thing. No, that's, I tried to cut it out. It's like baked in. Basically, eventually this whole side of the truck, it looks good on camera, but it's gonna have to get re-cleared and probably touched up with base coat just because the clear is basically gone. Similar situation on the tailgate. I also hate this sticker, so we're gonna fix it. Yeah. Next, I'm just gonna heat up this sticker with the heat gun, and then I'm gonna peel it off with this, and then we'll get to sanding. All right, got that sticker off. Just scraped it off. Used the heat gun. It worked well. I'm gonna scuff it up with 600 now, and then we'll go from there. All right, we've got most of it sanded down. I'm trying to find all the shiny spots in there, but what I'm doing right now is, these were actually the first thing I ever bought for this thing, which was new tailgate cables. So I'm putting those in right now. There we go, fixed. I changed my mind. I'm gonna sand it, but I gotta give it another 30 minutes probably. So just gonna let it sit here, let the primer dry, sand it, tack cloth, and then we'll spray the base. Give it, I think it's 30 minutes? Is it 15 or 30 minutes after the base? I think it's 30. And then we'll spray the clear, and then this will be done. Base coat here, using Spectral paints again. I've had really good luck with their stuff. They do great paint matching. This is a can that I had left over from my last project. Really, what you really just want to make sure is that you shake it up really good. I can't reuse this can, so. Alright, I think that's good. Alright, we've got the base coat. There's still some wet spots. You can maybe see them in the light, right? Yeah, you can see them over there. So, base coat's applied. I still got about, well, basically till it looks all dull, or 20 minutes or so. And then we'll throw the clear down, and then it'll be done. This is a clear coat. There we go. This is a clear coat we're using. It's a 2K clear. Got the thing on the bottom. We're gonna spray it away here. I don't want that to peel. Now that is a rattle can paint job right there, courtesy of CR Performance. Yep. Shoot. I'll take that. I'll take that all day. But yeah, this was Spectral Paints. Every single time I've had good luck with them, guys. I've learned now that this setup here is actually better than going in there and just having air keep circulating, because now I know that I don't have my clear coat overspray. So this is going to be one of the best things that have ever turned out. I'm glad I figured that out now. And everything else can be fixed with a denim pad, which is what I have coming on the way, and we're going to have everything. And now I'm going to know how to fix all that stuff. But this turned out really well. And it's going to match the rest of the S10, which is mediocre paint at best. But anyway, thanks for watching this, guys. Got the long form video of me painting the Blazer coming out soon. I'm still working on the editing for that, but it's really nice weather here right now. It's not too hot. The humidity, let's go look. Yeah. Talk about really good to paint right now. So really all that's left is I'm going to hope that this hardens up enough where a bug doesn't land on it and get stuck. I did have one. Where's that piece of tape at? Right here. I don't know if I still got him on. Yeah, he's right there. I got him stuck on there. I saw, I can't remember. Bad Chad, if you guys have ever watched him. But that was how he gets bugs out, is he just uses painter's tape and just kind of sticks it. Because the clear is going to self-level itself. It's good enough for that. Yeah. He was right there. Still got a leg in there. That's all right. If you guys have watched me this long, you know that is what it is on that. But yeah, that's pretty good. I've got a sticker that's going to be going on it, you know, nice Chevrolet sticker, but we'll get to that part later. Thanks for watching this, guys. If you could please like this video and subscribe, I appreciate it. Grab some merch. Anything helps, guys. We'll see you next time.